What is RCM under GST? Hello friends, this is your host Sandeep Singh. RCM is a reverse charge mechanism. Under this mechanism, the recipient of the goods and services is liable to pay the GST. And it is contrary to the usual practice. What happens in GST, the supplier of the goods and services ordinarily is liable to pay the tax. But under the mechanism of reverse charge mechanism or RCM, it is the recipient of the goods and service who is liable to pay the tax. ऐसा क्यों किया जाता है? RCM is resorted to because with the point of view to broaden the tax base so that the unorganized sectors or the people who are not registered under the GST regime, they also come under the tax base. So to broaden the tax base and include the unregistered sector or unorganized sector in the ambit of GST, RCM has been introduced. तो जैसा मैंने बताया कि RCM के अंदर जो सप्लायर टैक्स पे नहीं करता है, रेसिपिएंट करता है. So there are certain categories of goods and services which fall under RCM. The number one category is the notified goods and services. There are certain goods and services which are notified, and if the goods and services fall under these notified goods and services, then they are under RCM. These goods include cashew nuts, and if the goods and services fall under these notified goods and services, then they are under RCM. These goods include cashew nuts, raw cotton, tobacco leaves, and silk yarns. Services include the services rendered by a person who is not registered or unorganized sector से मान लीजिए कोई शॉप ओनर है जो कि रजिस्टर्ड नहीं है, उससे हमको सामान लेते हैं, then that comes under RCM. The second thing is services availed from a GTA. GTA means Goods Transport Agency. And number 3 is legal services availed by an advocate or a firm of advocate. ये सारे जो service providers हैं, they are not registered under GST. So as a recipient has the onus to pay tax. वो टैक्स कैसे पे करता है? What are the things which he has to keep in mind? First thing is that he must issue self-invoices for the purchase of goods and services. He has to maintain a register, and secondly, he has to pay the tax by filing GSTR 3B. Number 3, he has to keep in mind that this tax paid has to be by cash and not by credit. Next point is, ये जो recipient है जो tax pay करता है, he can avail ITC against the payment made under RCM. तो आपके एग्जाम्पल तौर पे मान लीजिए कैसे कैलकुलेशन कैसे होता है. अगर मान लीजिए मैंने किसी लॉयर से सर्विसेज लिया एंड आई पेड हिम 10,000 रुपीज, तो इस पर जो GST लगेगा 18%, दैट इज सम 1,800 रुपीज, दिस आई हैव टू पे and then I have to give to the government by filing GSTR 3B, and then I can claim ITC for this tax paid. So this is how the mechanism of RCM works. Friends, if you like the video, please like करें. Or if you have to ask anything, if you have to comment anything, you can ask me on, and I will definitely come back to you. I will reply to your queries on any matter related to GST. अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ कर लें, क्योंकि ये चैनल आपके लिए बहुत ही फायदेमंद सिद्ध होगा. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज रिलेटेड टू GST, money laundering, custom matters, this is the channel for you. So see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.